Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to enable animations, transparency and blur effects in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. In the left side select accessibility and select in the right side visual effects and enable this switch, transparency effects and animation effects, and always scroll bars. And to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. And log in with your PIN or password, and this is all. Your animations adds in your system, and your transparency works properly. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.